देखते हैं।
Pardon?
लाइव जा रहे हैं, लाइव जाके देखते हैं सर, लाइव जाके देखते हैं, लाइव जाके देखते हैं। यस सर।
हेलो
सर एक मिनट। शुभम ग्रुप पे डाल दीजिए कि बाकी लोगों को थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई हैव ओनली 6 विंडोज, so I'll be keep taking them in and out. Okay.
Okay.
सर का नेटवर्क इशू है, I guess. Let sir join and then we'll start.
Again, hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Can we have just a limit of 6, or we can?
Sorry.
Now the voice is okay.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. शुभम क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
So
6
how many students are there?
Sir, 122 I can see now live.
That's all.
They
So
will be joining.
Should we wait for some more time?
2-3 minutes we can wait.
Okay, okay. We'll wait
Now
and then we'll start.
Now 150 are there.
Okay, I'll wait for another 2-3 minutes. Once you tell me, please go ahead, I will start.
Sure, sure.
The students who are going to talk today, they are all here now?
Some of them are here, some of them are in waiting room because I cannot accommodate everyone inside.
Okay, okay.
So, 4 of them are here.
Gensoft students are here.
Yes, sir. Shubham is there.
Yeah,
and
I see.
Aboli, you are from this, no? Collegia?
Gensoft? Okay.
Yes, Collegia.
Aboli and Shubham are from Collegia, and Bhakti and Pooja are from and remaining are in waiting also. Chetan is waiting.
Okay, okay. 3 I am seeing here.
Yes,
right.
Yes.
You're all
Sir,
welcome, my dear.
We can start now. Around 200 are there.
But this is not good sign. Hello, Abhishek.
Yes,
whatever the message I want to give it to you for the majority of the people. If they are not there, then I'm not happy.
I will put a
I tell
message.
you honestly, we had decided to talk with the students with the dedication that we want to motivate them, we want to tell them what is what, how this year is going to pass, everything I have in my mind to put up to them so that they are enlightened as well as they are well prepared. Because finally we have to win the war. Right? That's our intention. But if they are not coming, then what's the fun in spending that time?
No, sometimes this number is also not clear. It gets updated in some time. मतलब regularly update नहीं दिखाई देता है मुझे. अभी I can see around 250 now. वो धीरे-धीरे update होता है.
Okay, okay. So should we start? Then I will start. No problem.
Yes, sir. You can start.
Achha. And what about our faculties, our TPOs? Sabita is there?
Sir,
Sabita,
I have only 6 windows. मैं डालूं क्या उन लोगों को?
But they are present now. Okay. No problem. No problem. So that's why you have put 6 people over here. Right. Okay. Once I go away, somebody else can take my seat. Okay. Something
Yes,
like
sir.
that.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, my dear. So, uh, dear colleagues, my training placement officers, and my dearest students, it's my pleasure to meet you again on this virtual platform today evening. This is a very, very important evening for all of us. आपल्या मराठी महिन्यामधला अधिक मास म्हणजे विष्णूचा मास. विष्णू इज ए what I say, Prime Minister of world, right? And he organizes everything. So it's a really wonderful opportunity for all of us to meet on this auspicious day. I tell you, my dears, I remember way back in the month of March, I had told you very clearly what are the expectations of the company this year. If we go back to 16th, 2016, they were expecting that the students must be excellent in aptitude and attitude. That's it. And remaining part we can cover when they join the company. Situation started changing. Competition is becoming tougher and tougher every year because quantum is huge, available, and demand has comparatively reduced substantially. Or even demand is okay, but every year the quantum is growing. So naturally, expectations are started growing, and also whatever the profitabilities company used to enjoy up to 2016, it has started eroding because of the tough competition. So naturally, nobody wants to spend more time in spending and training the new generation up to the to prepare them well before they start working on a regular project. What they expect that during the say academics, during your final year engineering, our students should be well prepared, and once they join the company, within no time they should work on a regular project. This is what is the normal expectation now. And with this expectation, which is growing expectation, like I told you, in 16 it was only aptitude and attitude. Then onward they said your students must know about C, Java. Then onward they are saying that they must know something about say um, programming. And now it is a must. Not only it is expected, but it's a must. This is the scenario. I can tell you recently we have training and placement meet with Accenture. And I tell you, I asked lot many questions to them. The answers are very, very clear. They say, you don't worry, sir. We are in a position to take the maximum number from you. But we want that students should be well prepared, not only in aptitudinal part, not only in the communication, not only in the basics of computer engineering, but they must do the programming. This is the need of time. And what they added further, because of this pandemic, when there is no college, naturally we are expecting the students are also acquiring additional certification in the areas like AW, data, cloud computing, security, and so many areas. These are the very, very important areas wherein they should collect these certifications, which will help them in getting better and better opportunities in the company. So, my dears, the day I have sent the details, I think onward there were a lot of seminars, webinars, and everybody is telling the same. The idea of sending this message to my student was very, very clear that we should be ahead of all others. And accordingly, we have started training the students with the help of PACE, then their technical training, then their internal examinations, everything we have started in a big way with the dedication that we must be ahead of all others. And I hope that you have taken that pride to prepare yourself very well, because now the situation has come and the time has come when we have to fight the war and win the war. Today, why we have called you today? Because we are going, you know very well, because of this pandemic situation, that everything is delayed by almost 1 month. Generally, we used to complete all product-based and high-package companies well before August end. This year it has started little late. And probably by September end, we are covering everybody. And all mass recruiters are starting by end of September, and the major completion of all the programs of mass recruiters will be in the month of October. For example, Infosys is starting the test on 28th and 30th, followed by Cognizant in the first week of October, followed by Accenture on 18th of October. Very, very clear. So what it indicates that we have come very close to fight the war and win the war situation, and also going to enjoy the benefit of our excellent relationship with them to make excellent career in the best corporate. My dedication that all my students should get such wonderful opportunities all the time. But some of the observations during last one and a half months programs of product-based companies, which are really giving me a lot of pain. I'm not happy. I'm not happy the way the students behave, the way they go ahead. I'm totally disappointed. My dear, why we tell you all these things? Because finally our intention that you must get the excellent company and you must start working in the excellent company and start making a career. That's an intention, nothing beyond that. But unfortunately, students take it granted that companies are going to come and I will do as per my choice. It's not good, it's not correct. And if you do in that fashion, take it granted, you will remain as it is. Till then, everything is over. Because today, till today, I have seen such type of students who are not bothered earlier. They are still trying to find a job, 18 batch, 19 batch. Take it granted, that should not happen with you at all. That's the reason today, well before the time schedule, I have called you to discuss with you and put up you the thought process. Collatia and Instagen are the product-based companies of Gensoft. You know very well. Their expectations are totally different than normal. They always think the student should have that attitude to learn something more, prepare themselves very well, out of box thinking, and do something amazing in the life, amazing in the company. Because it's a product-based company, they have to prove their merit. They want something innovative students. And that's the reason we have shortlisted and we have given the list to them. They are also going to talk to you tomorrow. But before that, I want to tell you, Continuum recently completed campus drive. My experience is very, very bad. And I got a very bad feedback from the company. Because I tell you, last year, the company has come for the first time. And they have seen the students are really wonderful. Initially, they say, I may take one or two students, but after going through the campus, they say your students are excellent. And without asking them, they have given me more than 10 numbers. In a product-based company is offering a package of 6.5 lakhs. And today, after completion of this Continuum campus, you might have got this message that only one student is selected, that too maintaining the relationship, nothing else. Otherwise, they would have dropped that idea also. The reasons are simple. First of all, they have shortened out the numbers, 123 numbers they are given for the test. After test, they have shortlisted 29 students. The reason is simple, because all potential students, and we were expecting out of 123, at least 60, 70, 80 students will clear the test. But unfortunately, number has reached to only 29. I had a detailed discussion with that lady and she has told very clearly, sir, students are doing malpractices. Try to understand, companies are smart enough to identify you. Are you really potential or you are just making a pretending that you are a potential doing malpractices? I tell you, she has told me there are students who have got 0 mark because they are definitely, as regards the potential, as regards the academic, they are wonderful. But unfortunately, during our examination, it is our finding that they have done a malpractice and they got big 0. You know that we are taking action against them. But over and above, she said there may be some more students who are successful in making this malpractice, but they are opened out during interaction at the time of technical interview. And over and above, When out of 29 students, whatever they are shortlisted, they started taking communication tests, and they found 7 students not knowing anything about the company. That means one of our PPT, they might have attended or they might have slept during that time. We don't know. They were not aware. They are not gone through the website also of the company. And when the company executives asked them any question about the company, they could not answer a single one. So they are straightway rejected 7 numbers. So remaining is 22. And out of 22, only 1 is clear. That means whatever I said earlier, that some has also made the malpractices successfully, but they are opened out at the technical test, technical interview. My dears, it's a very, very bad scenario. Very bad. Because तुम्हाला एक माहिती मराठीत सांगितल्याप्रमाणे एक नासकांबा सगळी पेटी खराब करू शकतो. Similarly, few students of this nature are spoiling the complete atmosphere about Sinhagad. I am very much worried about them. So my dear, please remember, do not try to deceive the company. If you don't know something, don't take tension. We are all there to see that you are getting excellent opportunities. Don't worry about it. You know, you want some help, you want any support, we are there to support you. All professors are ready to support you. All principals are ready to support you. Don't take the tension. And we are bringing companies after companies, not to worry at all. But don't make such malpractices, which is a dangerous signal, which is already siren is already open. And now, if we do in the same fashion, take it granted, situation is going to be a disaster. So, my dear, a sincere I cannot say request, but sincere expectation that nobody should behave such malpractices, because why everything is delayed? Only because they want to prepare such a tool by which they can identify, even in this pandemic situation, how the students are performing about the test. When they are in the college, naturally vigilance is there. When they are so much away and you are doing on your own, they have prepared such a tool that any malpractice will be identified and you will be debarred from the campus immediately. So, my dears, don't try this passion. Don't do something nonsense in this passion. Say not only you are losing your opportunity, but you are making others to lose their opportunity equally well, even though they have got a potential. Don't do that. It is not tolerated, not will not be considered henceforth also in this passion. I have given a very clear information to all these big shots. If you find such students, please give me those details. And they have promised me they will give me with the dedication that others should not face any problem. We will take immediate action against the defaulters. Let them go anywhere, will not bother for them. Because I don't want to spoil the name of our institute, and the good students should not miss excellent opportunity. That's an intention. My dear, I have told you, from the fundamental process, before going for a campus, you must know about the company. That means you must attend the PPT of the company, you must go to the website of the company before PPT, so that you are very much ready to ask the concerned question. General experiences, students are asking only 2 questions. What is the package? Is there any bond? That's all. I tell you, for product-based companies which are coming tomorrow, from Monday we are starting, don't ask such silly questions. Ask them technical questions. Because they have clarified what are your duties, expectations from the company. They are very clear what type of role you are going to perform, what are the expectations of the company very well. And over and above, they are going during PPT also, their senior people are going to tell you all the details about the company. About that, if you have got any doubt, any problems, ask something technical, something about the company, something about your future plans, how you are going to make a career. Okay, that's fine, but not like only package or only bond. No, not at all. If you are interested, once you are registered, you must attend. If you are registered and not attending is again indicating that you are not interested in placement, your name will be automatically removed from the placement list. We are not going to ask you why you are not attending. Well, we are going to leave you. Same is the case during say campus program. If something goes wrong, something is understood by us, take it granted we are not going to ask you, but we are deleting your name forever from the campus program. So my dears, my expectation even during this pandemic situation, even during this time when every company is very cautious while selecting, people may say something, but I tell you honestly, the number is also going to reduce substantially as regard the total quantum. The reason is simple. When US is facing a problem, Europe is facing a problem, which are the main clients of our IT companies, naturally, the numbers are going to have an impact. But for Siakat, take it granted. Again, I'm repeating because I'm confident. Again, I'm repeating because I had a lot of interactions with the company. They said, for you, nothing to worry. If your students prove that they are the best, don't worry, we'll even not only of the last year's number, but it will be better also. Don't worry at all. So this is the confidence I'm getting from the company, and they are treating you very well. Don't worry about it. But this is very, very important that you should follow strictly on this area. While during interactions with the company, when they are going at with the PPT also, you should come forward, ask so many good questions, so that they feel, अरे ये बच्चों ने तो बहुत पढ़ाई लिखाई की है हमारी कंपनी के बारे में. They are very much keen and interested to join my company, and they have prepared very well. ये तो होना ही चाहिए ना. ये नहीं हो गए तो कैसे चलेगा भैया. ये होना ही चाहिए. You know why we are called today these two groups? One, this product-based company students as well as for Infosys students. Because we are opening mass recruiters immediately from 20th. We are starting with Infosys, followed by Cognizant, then by Accenture. Very, very clear. And such wonderful companies, one after the other, are coming, and everybody expects our students must be ready in all respects. Now, the question about the programming, which is a major question asked by some IT-related students as well as from the non-IT students. I tell you, when I had a talk with Accenture, I said, sir, it's very difficult for the students of core engineering to work on programming. He's done very, very clear answer they given. He said, when they are coming to us, they are coming in IT company. That means their intention is to make a career in IT company. So in IT company, what is expected that they must be very clear about the computer engineering fundamentals, and they must have at least overall understanding about the programming, basic programming. They must have the basic programming knowledge. Without that, we cannot consider them at all. For example, they say we have two positions now. One senior position with a package of 6.5 lakh. Those who are extraordinary in programming, they will directly get that package during campus interview. And those who are in the normal routine, they will get a package of 4.5 lakh. What it indicates that companies are identifying your potential during campus drive itself. Are you all getting my points clear? So my dears, aptitudinal first parameter that you must go to the website of the company before coming for PPT. Prepare yourself very well and ask related questions, not only package or bond, but related questions as regard technology, as regard your working environment, as regard your prospect. No problems. It's always accepted and appreciated. Those who don't want to work even for 2 years, they need not to come for campus at all, whether there is a bond or not, because these are the bare minimum expectations of the company, right? And those who want to go for higher education, they would not have enrolled with us. And unfortunately, if they are enrolled, please let them take out their names immediately. Otherwise, neither this side nor that side they will go. Once you attend the campus and then register and not attending, or attended and not gone to the company, take it granted, you cannot go for even higher education, because we are informing the institute accordingly. Because we have given a very clear picture to you. If you are interested, come. If you are not interested, go ahead with higher education. We are with you will see that you are growing in the life. We are with you. We have no problem, no objection. But don't deceive us. Don't put both the legs in. I want this, I want that. Don't do that because number of opportunities are limited, and I want maximum students of my institute must get it. So one student, one opportunity. Why we are saying? Because we don't want to repeat the same person again and again. Finally, our intention that maximum students of Siagat must get an opportunity to make an excellent career. My dears, don't take tension. Be calm and comfortable. Everybody knows what is the scenario, present scenario, but everybody expecting in the present scenario, when you are so much free, what you have added qualification. I tell you, Abhishek will tell you also that these companies have already asked us to send the details what your students have done till today. And if you have really done the certification, it will definitely give you added advantage. Don't give some wrong information. Again, I'm telling you. If you say that I have taken certificate and in the interview they ask any question about it and you are not done properly, they can guarantee unfortunately you will fail miserably. Don't do that. If you and still today, I have told you, still we have got sufficient time to prepare ourselves very well for core engineering students, particularly for programming. So, my dears, don't take any all out effort to do the best for you. We should all the best. And we are situation where but we so take the best corporate and make your career, make your life wonderful. Wish you all the best, do the best, and prove that you are the right person to get in the company. That is a proud to our to all of us. Okay. Wish you once again the best success. Thank you. And Abhishek, I request you to please take over. Please take over, Abhishek. Okay. Abhishek, can you get me?
I'm
Hello.
sorry, my mic was. Hello, hello. Yes, sir, audible.
Everything is okay. I have covered whatever I want to say.
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead now.
Okay. As you know, we have gathered here to interact with the students who have qualified last year to the companies which are coming in recent days now. So, sir has already intimated that Qualicia Drive will be tomorrow. You also know that they'll be going on with the PPT tomorrow, and day after tomorrow they'll be having their test. Post that they'll be going on with the GD, etc. Okay. Uh, Hold on. Okay. Suppose that they'll be going on with their GD and followed by interview the next day. So we have to prepare accordingly. You're aware that Qualicia and Instazen are both product-based companies, so not easy way to go. But you have to make sure that you are prepared well in advance. Shubham, Aboli, and Chetan will guide you about what are the rounds and what you need to prepare. Again, to brief you in advance, they'll be going on with the PPT tomorrow only. Tomorrow at 4 o'clock, we have the PPT in which they will tell you what are the do's and don'ts during the test, what are the content of the test, and which all things you need to prepare before actually going into the drive. Whatever they have told to us up till now is that they'll be going on with the PPT first, and then all the student will be going on with for the GD, so that they can test your aptitude as well as communication. So everyone will be participating, will be going for the GD. So aptitude, post aptitude and GD, there will be filtration for the further round of technical and HR interview. Okay. Infosys, most of you might have received the mail. I have already told you that the first 5 colleges will have the drive in coming days on 28th and 30th, and the remaining colleges will have the drive later on, because the huge crowd is there. But unlike Cognizant and Accenture, they'll be going for the drive together for all the students. Sir has already given you the tentative dates for those companies also. So if you have not joined at that time, let me tell you again, 28th and 30th is the test date for Infosys. All the student who are getting selected or not selected for Infosys will be going for Cognizant and Accenture as well. Okay, so you have to go through all these three companies together. You have to prepare for all these three companies together. Okay, so because we are having
Hello, Abhishek.
yes, sir.
Opportunities for all the students going through these three companies and also getting opportunity to select where they want to make a career,
Correct.
right? So this is a giant opportunities for all the students, right? And
Yes.
before again I go back, I welcome Aboli as well as Bhushan, no? Shubham.
Shubham.
Uh, then Pooja and the Bhakti, right? Yeah. So
Yes.
you're all
And
welcome, my dears. It's my pleasure to see
Chetan
my
and
sons and
Mrinal,
daughters. Yeah.
Chetan and Mrinal are in waiting room, so they are also
Okay,
there.
okay. Welcome them too. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Please go ahead, my dears. It's nice meeting you all.
So, so now I'll request. I know IPL is starting at 7:30 every Saturday. We used to meet at 7 o'clock. So intentionally we kept it at 6 o'clock because many of you might even being saving the data to watch IPL. I know that how you people manage those things, but yes, this is equally important, and we should take care more nowadays, because you have to attend the online test also. So those who are having broadband, it is okay, but those who are having limitation of data, you have to use it very wisely these days, है ना? तो मैच देखनी होगी तो पापा या मम्मी के मोबाइल पे देखना, अपने मोबाइल का डेटा सेव करके रखना, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो कि हमें सेशन कब लेना पड़े. वी हैव टू अटेंड लॉट ऑफ पीपीटीज, sessions, everything in this limited data. Okay, so let's start with Aboli. Aboli, I would like you to tell your experience, how the day went totally on the day of the drive when you got selected for Coalitia, which were the rounds, what they need to prepare before going into the drive. Aboli, please start.
Yes. Can I speak?
Yeah,
Hello.
Aboli, please. Aboli,
Actually,
please.
I had 6 rounds. Yes, I
Okay.
had 6 rounds. First round, I had 6 rounds. First round was on aptitude. It was 1 hour, and for aptitude, I will tell use Aris Agrawal, India Big website, and then second was technical round. Hello,
Yeah, please go ahead.
can you hear me?
Yeah, not to worry. Please go ahead.
Yes. Then second was group discussion. Second round was group discussion. In that, we were given liberty to speak on any topic we like, and it was for 15 to 20 minutes. Then after that, I got selected, and then third round was technical round. Technical round, they asked me about my coding skills. They asked me how much rate will I give to Java and DBMS. And in DBMS, he asked me uh, to solve joints. Then he asked me to write some queries. Then he saw my resume and he asked me about my projects. And projects should be really good, so that you should know all about projects, so you can explain it. And always prepare real-time example in programming. For example, Java. He asked me about inheritance concept. So I told him about parent and child. Yeah, property based issue in our India. That then third one was once again technical round with CEO Rahul Chaudhary. He asked me about my family background. Then he asked me about my 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 hobbies. Then sixth round was then he saw my technical, and I was recommended for Coalicia software developer. In that, the technical round was 1.5 hours, and he too asked me about my programming skills. He asked me to rate how much skills was given to the Java, and he asked me about data structures, linked list, then queue. In linked list, he asked me insertion, deletion, etc. And finally, I was selected for HR round. And in HR, I was asked about my family background, and actually the HR round was test our confidence, how we talk, how is our fluency, and always attend PPT, because one of my question was about about their product, and I answered it because I was attending PPT. That's it.
Sorry,
Hello.
my mic was muted. Shubham, can you elaborate further to what Aboli
Yeah,
spoke just now?
yeah,
Shubham
yeah.
language is no bar.
So
You
good
can
evening,
speak
all.
Hindi, English,
So
Marathi. All the audience knows everything. So don't be hesitant. And we are not taking your interview. I know it is quite difficult for a student to be on a live session. So be relaxed. These are our juniors only. Be relaxed. Be chill. Don't worry about anything. Okay. You can use all three languages. Don't worry about that. Okay.
yeah, yeah. I'm compatible with English as well. So no worries. So in my drive day, what happens? They have high levels. So first level was aptitude test. After that, they have group discussion, and after this, they have technical interview. And the most important thing I want to mention here is that I came for this drive of Zensoft. So I came to know about Kolisha at the last moment. So what happened? I have performed well in technical first round. So and by looking my resume, I have came to the tester role. But by looking at my resume, I have done lots of projects. So the tester of the Gensoft company, who was taking my interview, has looked into my resume, and he asked me that you have done so many projects, and why you are applying for tester role. So you should go with developer role. So at the time, they have switched me from tester to developer, and he asked me to wait, and he told me that one of the developer from Kolisha will take your interview. So after that, Rohan sir was there, who is the head of engineering team in Kolisha. They have taken my interview, and the difficulty level is somewhat increased in second level. So they have asked me about data structures, and they have also asked me to write codes for them. One of the problem was I have asked to reverse the linked list. So you guys, computer science guys, might have understanding of linked list and all this data structure. So difficulty level is somewhat increased in second level, and I have also solved this problem. And after solving this problem, Rohan sir was impressed, and they have directly selected me for Coalitia. In HR interview, they also haven't asked me so many questions. Only 1 to 2 questions they have asked me. And if you are good in programming and data structures, so you have to no worry about this. So be prepared with programming and data structures. At least one object oriented programming you should prepare for, and you should have a good understanding of data structures. So basic concept you should have. And in aptitude as well, they have programming question. So if you are preparing for programming and data structures, you are almost 70 to 80% done for this drive. That's it from my side.
Okay, so I'll give
Hello?
you a little update. Chetan, you're there, Chetan?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Chetan, hold for a minute. I'll just update them, the students, about
Okay.
what has happened, because what Shubham spoke last year. We had a company called as Zensoft. So we started the drive with Zensoft last year, means from 2019 we started, and the company found that the college is doing good and the students are performing very good from this college. So they decided to have a good number of student uh, to take from Sinhagad. So that is why we had a drive of Zensoft last year. But the director of the Zensoft has a stake in Coletia and Instazen also. So there are a group of people who are working together. So while taking the drive for Zensoft, the director found that there are some good students who can be taken. The drive for Zensoft obviously was for testing profile, and the director found that there were some good students who can be taken for developer role as well. So he promoted these students, Shubham, Abuli, and Chetan, to go for Policia, and they had a different interview. So this year we approached them before the mass recruiter, because it's a product-based company. Again, you know that. So we approached them, and we told them ki why not to have a drive before, so that the student can get a better chance in a better company, in a product based company. Obviously, comparing company is not good, but again, the product based company, we take the drive of product based companies early. So that's why we call this company. They have a good number of vacancies. So if you are trying hard, giving good output, you have a very best chance to get selected in a product based company. Okay, Chetan, can you
One,
proceed now?
one minute I would like to add.
Yes, sir.
You know very well that the managing director or Malak म्हणतो ना आपण of this company is a very good friend of me. Take the advantage, get yourself selected, and start making wonderful career. Okay. And I'm
Yes,
very
yes.
happy that Shubham and Aboli has given really a very good feedback. So wish them all the best and wish all the students once again the best success. Okay. Please go ahead now.
Yes. Chetan, can you speak
Hello?
now?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chetan, also
Good
tell us
evening, everyone.
please elaborate the test thing, because a lot of question have questions regarding the test pattern. So how many questions were there? What was the duration of the test? What was asked in the test? Can you elaborate that, Chetan?
About aptitude test.
About the aptitude test first.
So I done 6 rounds last year. First round is aptitude. तो aptitude में टेक्निकल था. टेक्निकल मतलब जावा के ऊपर बहुत था. जावा के ऊपर टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस थे. मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर होंगे तो हमें वो टेक्निकल क्लियर हो जाएगा. और वो 1 घंटा थी. वो क्रैक करने के बाद जीडी. तो जीडी में हमारा एक राउंड हुआ. हम 7-8 स्टूडेंट्स थे. तो जीडी में कैसा है कि स्टार्ट या फिर अगर हम एंड करें जीडी का कन्वर्सेशन, जीडी टॉपिक का डिस्कशन, तो वो एक हाईलाइट हो जाता है. और अगर हमें स्टार्ट और एंड नहीं करना मिला तो हम या फिर सुन सकते हैं बाकी स्टूडेंट्स क्या कह रहे हैं. तो वो गुड लिसनर भी देखते हैं कि वो कितना आप मतलब दूसरों का कैसे सुनते हैं. और मतलब जब मेरा जीडी हुआ था तब मैंने स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया था, एंड भी नहीं किया था, और मुझे बोलने का मौका भी नहीं मिला था. तो मैं थोड़ा बाकी लोगों का सुन रहा था. और जब मुझे मौका मिला तो मैंने सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट बोला. तो उस एक पॉइंट से मैं सिलेक्ट हो गया जीडी में. तो उसके बाद टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू हुआ. टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू मेरे मिनी प्रोजेक्ट मतलब डिप्लोमा का प्रोजेक्ट था, उस पे हुआ. अपने डिग्री में जो 3rd ईयर का था उसमें भी उस पर हुआ. और मिनी अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में हमें पूरा नॉलेज होना चाहिए, और बेसिक जावा 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 के बेसिक जो कंसेप्ट है, मतलब कोई भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज के बेसिक कंसेप्ट है वो क्लियर होना चाहिए हमारा। और कैजुअल टॉक हुआ थर्ड राउंड में, कि वो भी और उसके बाद हमारे जो सीईओ है हमारे कंपनी के, उनके साथ इंटरव्यू हुआ। उसमें उन्होंने मुझे टेस्टिंग के बारे में कुछ पूछा, मतलब एज ए एग्जांपल देके उन्हें पूछा कि अगर ये बॉटल है, हमें उसका टेस्ट करना है, तो वो कैसे करना चाहिए, तो ये लीक होने होगी कि नहीं, या फिर कितनी देर सन में रह सकती है, धूप में रह सकती है, वैसे। और उन्होंने मुझे पूछा था उस बार कि किस में इंटरेस्ट है, टेस्टर या और डेवलपर में, तो मैंने उस वक्त डेवलपर बोला था। और बी कॉन्फिडेंट, उन्होंने मुझे फैमिली बैकग्राउंड के बारे में पूछा था। उसके बाद मेरा टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू हुआ और एक डेवलपर के साथ, कंपनी के डेवलपर के साथ। उसमें उन्होंने मुझे हाँ कुछ प्रोग्राम लिखने को दिए, प्रोग्राम नॉलेज किया उन्होंने, प्रोग्राम लिखने दिए। रिवर्स रिवर्स का मुझे शायद कोड आया था, हाँ रिवर्स का। और वहाँ पे उन्होंने हाँ वहाँ पे भी मुझे वो प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में पूछा था, प्रोजेक्ट किस किस पर किया था। मैंने ऐप डिप्लोमा में प्रोजेक्ट एंड्रॉइड ऐप किया था ना, तो उसके बारे में पूछा था। फायरबेस के बारे में, जो भी आप प्रोजेक्ट्स बोलोगे मैंने ये किया है, तो उसके बारे में पूरा नॉलेज होना चाहिए। और आपको बताना आना चाहिए कि क्या क्या किया मैंने प्रोजेक्ट में। उसके बाद एचआर के लिए हुआ। एचआर में बस उन्होंने अपना वो स्पीक कैसे करते हैं हम, वो चेक किया वहाँ पे। उन्होंने मुझे पूछा कि आप 5 साल बाद आप अपने आप को किधर देखते हो, वैसे कुछ ऐसे। और फैमिली बैकग्राउंड वगैरह डिस्कस किया। और बस इतना, ऐसे 6 राउंड हुए, और उसके बाद रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर हुआ। दैट्स इट। थैंक यू। हेलो।
Yeah. Thank you, Chetan. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. So, the platform which they are going to use for the testing purpose of Coalition and Instazen is Youth for Work, is what I have come to know. Okay, so search for Youth for Work, and the test will obviously be a combination of technical and quant logic, everything. Okay, 1 से 1.5 घंटे का टेस्ट रहेगा. And as I told you, everyone who's qualifying or not qualifying the test will have to go for the GD, because they uh, filtrate the student on both the score of GD and uh, technicalities. Up till now, none of you have gone through a virtual GD round. So this could be one of the first experience for you people to go for a GD round virtually. So you have to be very alert, and you have to make sure that you are sitting in a good network, because in a GD, if your network is not working, the person who's taking the GD might not know that you're not speaking because of your network. So please take care of that thing. And all these score, they prepare an Excel sheet, and then they take an average of your aptitude and GT score, and then they put you for the next round. So make sure that you're preparing for both the things very nicely. Okay, they'll be also giving you some GD topics for which you can prepare, but mostly it is on the current affairs on which they do the GDs. Sir, you want to add something, Pitambi sir?
No, no. You are talking about Infosys?
I'm talking about this Qualitia only.
Qualitia, okay.
So they are going to take GD, is what they have informed. So
Yeah.
it will be a virtual GD. So that is why I was
Ah.
telling the student that they have to be prepared with proper network also, because if they are not having proper
Correct.
network, they might not get a chance to speak. So that's the thing I
So
wanted to
go with
tell.
confidence. That is important. Let our
Yeah.
students should go with the confidence.
Okay. So next we'll start with the student who have come for Infosys. Thank you, Kolisha student for joining us.
Yes, yes,
Be,
yes.
be there for some questions also. I'll be taking some questions at the last, so please be there to answer some questions. Let these two students speak first. We'll go with Pooja. Pooja, can you elaborate the process for Infosys now?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
हेलो एवरीवन। हमारे इन्फोसिस में 3 राउंड्स हुए थे। पहला एप्टीट्यूड था, फिर टेक्निकल एंड फिर एचआर। एप्टीट्यूड में 90 मिनट्स की एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट थी। उसमें कॉन्ट था, लॉजिकल था, वर्बल था। सो कॉन्ट में शायद 12 और 13 क्वेश्चंस थे, वर्बल के 40 क्वेश्चंस थे और लॉजिकल के 17 to 18 questions the. The difficulty level is like medium, but while we solving the verbal, there are passages. So we read the passage, but we don't get enough time. So at the end, some questions are we can't solve the questions. So start पहले से फास्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का ट्राई करो। और कॉन्ट भी मीडियम था, इतने हार्ड भी क्वेश्चंस नहीं थे। और टेक्निकल में like they asked 2 to 3 programming programs to write, or they ask very basic questions. They read in resume which whatever languages you write, like C++, Java, they ask related questions. Or you get the programs on Java T Point, और YouTube पे एक चैनल है करियर राइट, उसमें सभी एप्टीट्यूड क्लियर हो जाता है। और एचआर में उन्होंने फैमिली बैकग्राउंड पूछा था, स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेसेस पूछा था। और ओवरऑल द इंटरव्यू you have to be very confident. That's all.
Okay, Bhakti, you're there.
Yes, sir, I am there.
If you can switch on your camera, yeah.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
please elaborate further?
So, good evening, all. So, I'm from ENTC background.
Yeah, you're audible. Oh, you're audible.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello,
Please go ahead.
I'm audible. Yes. So, इन्फोसिस के जैसे पूजा ने बताया 3 राउंड्स थे। पहला तो हमारा एप्टीट्यूड था। एप्टीट्यूड में क्वांट, रीजनिंग, लॉजिकल एंड वर्बल था। जो डिफिकल्टी लेवल जो थी वो वर्बल में थोड़ी ज़्यादा थी। एंड देयर इज टाइमिंग फॉर all the questions, and there is sectional cutoff for all the test. So you have to crack all the parts: logical, quant, and English.
And what was the duration of the test, Bhakti?
And
What
then
was the duration of the test? Do you remember?
sir,
Okay.
1.5 hour का टेस्ट था। और उसके बाद हमारा टेक्निकल राउंड हुआ था। They asked me basic programming questions, and programming question then ask about family background, and for me they ask about my ENTC background questions, and project. They ask about my project.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, Mrinal, you are there. Mrinal, I guess she is facing some network issue. Okay, let's go on with the questions then. Bhakti, there is some disturbance with your. Okay. Okay, we'll take some question for this. Let's go one by one. Please mention the company also so that we can understand for which company you are asking the question for. So it will be better for me to ask to the student. Okay, is it okay to prepare C and Python for coding round? Shubham, can you answer it? Mostly it is for this Colicia.
Yeah. So you should have understanding of Python in this case, because in C, what you have just basic concepts in C. But if you go with Python, so you will have understanding of object-oriented concepts. So it will be the extra benefit to you. So you will not get into the trouble, because at the time of second technical interview, they might ask you about object-oriented programming. So Python is specific in that case.
Okay, okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Chetan, you want to add something?
Yes, yes. But if Python is, I don't think everyone is comfortable with Python. Then I recommend to uh, go for Java. Do prepare for Java. Clear all basic concepts of Java and practice for Java. That's it.
Yeah, Java will be the best option, because in
Because
college,
our yes, yes.
in college
Go ahead, Shubham.
they also teach about
Teach
Java. So
Java. Okay, but any language will do. It's not only about language. It's about the concept
Yes,
of
concepts.
the programming which you should have. So language is not a bar if your concepts of programming are good. Okay.
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Next question is regarding what is the date of exam for Colicia. It will be Tuesday. Tuesday is which date? 22nd, I guess. 22nd will be your exam. 22nd around 11 a.m. That will tell you tomorrow during the PPT. Next question is which topics are there for GD?
So what happens in GD level? You are having freedom to choose topic. You all members, suppose there are 7 to 8 members, so they give you freedom to select any topic by discussing in yourself. So you can choose. They not give you topics.
Okay, this is very generalized question. How you prepared for Infosys aptitude? Pooja, can you answer Pooja and Bhakti?
For Infosys, there is a channel on YouTube which is Career Ride, and website is Java.
And there is one,
Uh,
and IndiaBix is a very useful application.
IndiaBix.
and
IndiaBix.
on Java Point, you get all basic programs on like C++, Java, Java Point.
Okay. And what was the cutoff for qualifying for the test? Was there any cutoff defined for Infosys test, or it was?
There is
Was it
sectional
told in the
cutoff,
PPT?
sir.
Okay.
I don't remember, but in the
Was
instructions,
it a
while
predefined cutoff कि 50% लाना है, something like that? Or?
No,
नहीं,
they didn't mention that.
They didn't mention.
sectional cutoff.
Okay, interesting question.
Yes.
Do they ask a coding question to mechanical students? So in aptitude
No,
is
sir.
similar for everyone, I guess. But
Yes.
in the interview they don't ask coding. Okay. Sir, we know some students in our placement activity, they are good in programming, but because of their communication problem, they are not selecting. So how do we overcome in this problem? See, there is a huge misconception about communication. Even I or Petambre sir or the students sitting here, they are not foreigners. They are all Indians. We have learned the language. Okay, it's only about the confidence in which you speak. It's not about the fluency. You don't have to adopt their accent to convince them that you know English. Okay, so you only need to convince them that you understand English and you can speak a bit. Okay, we
Yes,
all are not fluent in English. English is not our mother tongue. Don't take it in that way, and don't be underconfident about that. We have seen all our languages up till now. How we are speaking, we are making up the sentences in mind. Okay, so it's strictly not about your fluency, it's about your understanding of the language. And you only need to convince them that you understand whatever is being said in English, and you can make the sentences and communicate back. That's it. Fluency is not a issue. Don't worry about it.
yes,
Most of the student
yes.
thinks that fluency is what they see, and they do the shortlisting. Chetan, Shubham,
No.
someone want to add something about this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Uh, go
yeah,
ahead, Shubham.
Chetan, you can.
Okay,
So
okay.
English doesn't matter. You should have that much proficiency that you should explain what you want to. So they don't care about English that much. So at the end, if you are not comfortable with English, you can speak in Hindi as well. But you should have concepts clear, and you should try to explain what you want to say.
And Chetan or Shubham, who amongst you is from Pandharpur also, na? Who is from Pandharpur?
I am.
Shubham.
So see, Shubham, so many of the students think कि पुणे के student को ज़्यादा आता है, they give preference to all that. Nothing like that. Shubham got selected. Zensoft was at I guess the 12th company which came last year, है ना? It was not amongst the first. It was not a day zero company, so it came post mass recruitment. Not even 12th, I guess 15th company which they came. So they don't care if you are good enough, you can qualify anytime. You may be from anywhere. Sir wants to add something.
Rahul has told specifically, I
Hmm.
want potential. I'm not worried about from which college, what is the percentage he has got, whether he has got 80% or 60%. I'm least bothered. I want a potential student. And I'm really proud to say all these three students who have been selected for such product-based company, they were not like what everybody was thinking about, but they have proved their merit. And even at the stage of 10th or 12th company, they have proved their merit and they got such wonderful opportunity. So now this opportunity is wide in big way available for the present batch. Let them enjoy it. Okay, please go ahead.
Yes. So something is about InfyTQ portal. Okay, I guess there is some issue with the portal of Infosys, because of which some students have not been able to book the slot. We are continuously in touch with the HR of Infosys, and by 28th is your test. Maybe by Tuesday I'll come back to you, and we'll collect the data of the student who were not able to book the slot because of any reasons, and then we'll communicate it to Infosys, whatever the problem was. Okay, don't worry about it. We'll make sure that everyone is getting a slot to give the test. When are NBN student going to appear for Infosys? Is it on 1st October? I told you it will be in the second batch. Obviously not on 1st October. It will be in the second batch. Second batch may be post Accenture also. Okay, so we have to wait till then. Okay. Uh, Okay, let's see now. So there were no technical programming MCQs or coding question for Infosys. Coding questions were there in Infosys, I guess.
Yes,
MCQs
sir.
are there. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We were already communicated in last session also that all the mass recruiters this time will be having coding MCQs. Let it not only be Infosys, but Cognizant and Accenture will also have coding questions in the form of MCQs mostly in their aptitude round. Okay, there'll be.
What I understood, Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
that fundamental coding
Hmm.
and at least around 40% marks are kept aside for coding test. That is what they are indicating. Minimum 40% mark. If somebody is well enough in the fundamental coding also, he will get to not to worry much. Those who are doing excellent, they will get higher package, of course. But that's the reason for any core engineering or ENTC student, they should not think that we are not in that area, how we can do it. They have to do it, no choice. Because without that, they will not be considered. This is a basic mandatory requirement for the first stage itself, even for basic.
And that is why they are putting pressure to go for some certification, global certification, so that you can have a stamp on yourself that you have at least tried and go to learn programming. Okay, the MTA
And we have taken that effort for 6 months almost. 6 months we have put up all the efforts to prepare them very well. From March till September.
Correct.
6 months, not 1, 2.
So that is why right from phase we were insisting the student to learn programming, because this was already given, a hint was already given by the companies last year itself that they'll be taking the student who are at least taking interest to learn programming. If not, they are very fluent, but at least they should put their efforts to learn programming. Okay, because you all have studied FPL. Okay, and in FPL the basic concepts are taught and the question MCQs are on those things only. So don't worry about programming question. It is not very hard. We have Bhakti here who's from ENTC, and I'm very sure she must not be very good in programming compared to Pooja or other guys, है ना? So you cannot compare in that way. It's about they you should be able to convince them that you are okay to learn programming. Okay, you are okay to learn new concepts, new technologies, and all those. Okay, so your mindset should be there. Your mindset should be able to convince them. Chetan, you want to add something?
हाँ, हेलो
Sure.
हेलो
Yeah, Chetan, go ahead.
हाँ हाँ, वही अगर हमें प्रोग्रामिंग नॉलेज नहीं आता ना, तो कंपनी में प्लेस होने के बाद वो हमें टाइम देते हैं सीखने के लिए. ऐसे नहीं कि हमें प्रॉपर प्रोग्रामिंग आना चाहिए. अगर हमें बेसिक आता है ना, तो हमें टाइम देते हैं वो सीखने के लिए. अगर प्लेस होने के बाद सीधा प्रोजेक्ट पे असर नहीं करते, हमें टाइम देते हैं.
So there is something called as pre-onboarding learning program. There is something called as on-job training program. There are so many sessions arranged by the companies so that you are perfect before getting onboarded into a project. Okay, so don't worry. They make you learn all those things and then only they put you on the ship. They don't just put you on the ship and let you float in the sea. It doesn't happen that way. Okay.
Abhishek, one more
Yes, sir.
important parameter which I understood during
Yes,
the
sir.
interactions with all these big shots.
Yes, sir.
They are told very clearly that learnability is the main concept this year. Whether the student has got that attitude, whether he is continuously learning, because technology is changing everywhere now and then. So your ability to learn is very, very important, and that will be observed during interview. Don't forget it. And what you rightly said, programming, you must have fundamental knowledge. That's a must, basic fundamentals. But last year, they said, okay, if you are having that aptitude, okay, we'll train you. But this year, they are definitely demanding that you must have basic fundamental capabilities to do programming. That's a must. That's why we are insisting that everybody should know about it. Right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Even GATE books can help you. If you have a GATE preparation for GATE books, that will also help you for basic MCQs type of programming, because generally the question paper is designed from those books. Okay. Mm. Okay. On which platform Infosys conducted the test? Do you remember, Pooja or Bhakti?
सर उनका प्लेटफॉर्म था, नॉर्मल प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं था जैसे एस्पायरिंग माइंड्स वगैरह, उनका ही था, इन्फोसिस
ओके,
का.
मैं बताता हूँ. Actually, the question paper is by Infosys, but their outsourcing partner is Meritrack. So the test platform is provided by Meritrack, but the question paper is of Infosys. So it's not like a AMCAT pattern या Cookies pattern या और कोई pattern. They don't run on pattern. It's Infosys. They have their own pattern, है ना, जिसमें it's a combination of aptitude and technical MCQs. Okay, and the test platform obviously is provided by Meritrack. Okay. Okay, next question is, what should we prepare for technical as we come from ENTC background, and what was core questions you faced? Bhakti, you are the most relevant person to answer this.
Yes, sir. They ask basic questions from electronics background. From उन्होंने मुझे तो गूगल से सर्च करके फाइंड करके पूछे थे, but they ask basic questions as we learn from second year, third year. That's right. And for aptitude, I prefer online material, India Bigs, etc. And yes.
Okay.
For programming and to learn programming.
Okay. So see, basically in Mass Recruiter, what happens is they judge you on your confidence, because most of the panels are from IT background. Okay, so they may or may not be knowing anything from core engineering. So what they do is they simply Google something, some easy questions about ENTC mechanical or something, and they drop you on your head, and they just check key how you respond to that question. Okay, so it's like playing blind. So if you're confidently answering that question, which is a basic question from your core engineering, so they will get convinced at least if this person is not having a knowledge of IT, but he or she is having a knowledge of core engineering, and because of this she will easily grab knowledge of IT also, is what they get convinced. Okay, so we have to be cautious in that. Mrinal, you are there? Mrinal?
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next question you take. You were not available, that is why you didn't got a chance to speak. Okay, now tell me, is there any choice of language in aptitude, or next round of the interviews? How is it?
I think there is no choice of any language at the time of interview or aptitude also, because English is compulsory for all the time.
No, it's not about that language. They are talking about the technical language. Python, Java इस तरीके का.
for मेरे वक्त तो कोई ऐसा मतलब सी या पाइथन ऐसा कोई कंपल्सन नहीं था, बट हाँ मैं एप्टीट्यूड के बारे में एक बोलना चाहूंगी कि क्रिप्टो अरिथमेटिक करके एक कंसेप्ट है जो इन्फोसिस का सबसे फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है, और वो हमेशा इन्फोसिस के एप्टीट्यूड में पूछा जाता है, सो जस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट.
Okay. Okay, next question is in technical coding face to face, do they ask only pseudo codes or proper executable codes? Who will answer? Chetan, आप आंसर करोगे?
हाँ, नहीं, वो सिर्फ सूडो कोड देखते हैं. लॉजिक मतलब मेन जो लॉजिक होता है कोड का, वो प्रॉपर एग्जीक्यूटेबल कोड नहीं चाहिए उन्हें. अपने वो मेन जो लॉजिक करके लॉजिक लिख के दिखाए तो भी चलेगा. सूडो कोड.
Okay, and what is the difficulty level of these questions?
Not too much hard, medium.
Medium. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, someone is asking about how much days gap of GD and HR round. See, as I told you, they are having to for Infosys like 1,400 students are there. For Accenture Cognizant, not less than 2,000 students will be there. So we cannot guess about the timing. It is not like earlier days when we used to have the drive in a single day. It will not happen in that like that. It's gonna take at least 10 days to finish a drive. For every drive, consider 10 days. So that is why we have formed a WhatsApp group for Colicia, and similarly we'll be telling you for Infosys and Accenture Cognizant as well. So you have to keep that track on your WhatsApp group and Telegram group of whatever being messages sent by the company will be told to you on those groups. Okay, so you have to keep the track on that.
So we'll close it here now. Abhishek?
I'll just check whether it is any more important question there, or we'll close it down. Most of the questions are repeated now, so
Yeah.
difficult to take all those questions. Someone is asking how to register for Infosys. Registration is already gone. Okay. Now most of the questions are repeated. So basically, for any product-based companies, you have to make sure that you are quite prepared on the project front, mini and major project, whichever you are going to, which you have done in the past and you are going to make. So prepare that thing very well. They do ask questions majorly on your project and certifications and the uh, paper presentation and all those workshops you have done. Okay, so we'll close it down here with some remarks from sir. And
Yeah. My dears, wish you all the best. Don't take tension. Go with confidence. I'm with you. My blessing, my good wishes are with you. And I'm very much thankful for the students who have come on their own to support and help the new generation from Siagat Institute. So although Chetan, Aboli, then Bhakti, Puja, I should not miss anybody, I hope so. Everybody, thank you very much. You're always welcome. This Theory Institute, and you are my sons and daughters, not to worry. It's my pleasure always to see you. Okay. So once again, best wishes for the students for coming campus drive. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Welcome.
one last question, which is important: can we switch between the sections during aptitude test? This is asked in every session which we have conducted. Can we switch the sections?
No.
Not in case of Infosys. And Chetan, in case of Colicia, can we switch the question?
हेलो क्वेश्चन मैंने सुना
हाँ,
नहीं ठीक से आवाज
can we
ठीक से नहीं आ
switch
रहा
between the can we switch between the sections?
switch between the questions
Yeah, switch between the sections.
sections no I guess no
Okay.
हाँ yes.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for joining. Boli, Bhakti, Pooja, Shubham. That's it. Thank you for joining. Okay. Be
Thank you,
in
sir.
touch.
Thank
Be
you,
always
sir.
there. Thank you, Aboli.
Thank you bye
Bye.
Yes.